Good morning, everyone. Today, we, the students of Class 10C, are presented here to perform a skit. It is based on the chapter The Midnight Visitor by Robert Arthur. I, Percy Keshup, and my friend Jessica Das will be narrating this show. Now, let me introduce you to the other characters. We have Ayush Borua as 𝐓𝐡𝐞. He is a detective but does not match the description of one. Then we have Mohijit Chaudhary as Fowler. He is a romantic writer and also questions why 𝐓𝐡𝐞 does not match the description of a detective. Then we have Neelavranjan Keshup as Max. He is another detective and is here for a very secretive report. Then we have Chandraditya Sharma, who is a waiter but is disguised as a policeman. Hope you all like this skit.
Where is he? I thought meeting a real secret agent would be exciting. Not like this. I wanted car chases, danger, a thrilling story for my readers. Instead, I'm standing here in this corridor like a fool.
Hey Fowler, you are still alive. You are looking disappointed, aren't you?
Well, I suppose I expected, more action. Guns, spies, dangerous events. Not a come up to a hotel room.
Fowler, see, the work of spy is not always adventure. It's more paperwork. But today, it might be different.
Different?
Fowler, let's talk inside. Hey, that's my room.
Is this where you stay? I imagine something more secretive.
I like my comfort, like spies, and everyone's soft sofa like this.
Don't move!
Max, I thought you were in Berlin.
Hey, who is this? You know him?
Fowler, relax. He is Max. He's just another spy like me. And the amazing part, he is just half as smart as he thinks.
Don't underestimate me, 𝐓𝐡𝐞. You know why I am here. That report that was coming tonight, hand it over.
Hey, he's serious. He has a gun.
Hey, this is the second time someone used the balcony to sneak into my room. I must have told the hotel to do something about this.
Balcony?
Balcony? There's a balcony here?
Yes, exactly. There is a balcony over the window which is shut by the neighbors there.
This is room number 208 and 𝐓𝐡𝐞 is in room number 209. Yes.
Oh, there it is. Room number 209. Mr. 𝐓𝐡𝐞 will be here. Mr. 𝐓𝐡𝐞! Mr. 𝐓𝐡𝐞! Who is this?
Good evening, sir.
Where's the police?
Good evening, Mr. 𝐓𝐡𝐞. Here's the drink you ordered.
Hey, Mr. Henry, thank you so much.
My pleasure, sir.
Hey, he's still out there in the balcony.
Save me!
Hey, did he just fall?
Fowler, actually, there was no balcony. Max just fell off the 2 floors of the building.
No balcony? You tricked him.
Exactly. Cleverness always beats violence. And in this case, my words, my presence of mind were more stronger than his gun.
It means that Max jumped from the 6th floor. Clever 𝐓𝐡𝐞. Fowler was first disappointed by him because of his looks, accent and room. But now, 𝐓𝐡𝐞's cleverness has proved his conception totally wrong. Firstly, 𝐓𝐡𝐞 talked with Max about a balcony, just to make him believe that a balcony existed under his window. And then, knowing that it was his waiter Henry who was knocking at the door, he fooled Max by telling that it was police. His cleverness on spot would certainly have surprised Fowler. Hope you like this skit. Thank you.